Hello friends, today we learn how to remove FRP Oppo A18 by test point. Okay, so first of all, click on Oppo option and search here A18. Okay, see Oppo A18 preloader CPS 2591 and CPU is MT6768. Okay, preloader auth already selected Oppo Realme version 1. First of all, I will show you where is test point. Click on T point option, then select brand and search here A18 model number. Here click on this option and see here is test point. Okay, here this register is test point. Touch to ground and plug your cable. Okay, search A18 model and select preloader auth Oppo V1 and click on erase FRP. Wait few seconds. Here waiting for device. Then you touch test point, touch to ground, then insert the cable. Your FRP will be done. Okay. If you see any error, then try to multiple times. Your FRP will be done. Right? Thank you very much watching for my videos.